I like a challenge, and I love the WFM portion of TCN because I have full control over it, right? And B, it's robust, to say the least. And so it's a challenge for me because I'm now entering into things that I don't have prior experience with or prior knowledge about, and so I'm having to learn a lot. And I've been working with Heather to get us all set up and to get that process rolling, and she's been amazing, an amazing resource for us, and just really helping me to understand the things that I don't understand and just getting that part off the ground. And because I like a challenge, that part has been my favorite so far. My second favorite, I would say, would be the scorecard evaluations. We previously did all of our scorecards in Excel. And so one person can look at it at a time, one person can make changes, and you have to connect a bunch of things. So being able to take all of that, probably 50 different Excel spreadsheets, and just have it in one spot in TCN, which it's just amazing.